He's on the wake skate. Handheld device here, baby boy. Check it out. There's my homies up there. What's up, guys? He's gonna be shredding the gnar on the knee. Hey, Buster Boy and Precious. Grandpa loves you. Here we go. Pick it up a little bit. Faster. Oh, too fast. Keep it regular. Hey, what's up, guys? Here you go. Handheld, baby. Ow! Oh, yeah. There it is right here. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. Shit. No. Oh, yeah. Yeah, baby. Okay. Take a little break. This is awesome. I love my life. I love my family. There's that right there. Woo-hoo! What's this right here? Put it down here. Yeah, baby! Oh! That's awesome! Let's see if I can get up with it. Both hands. Okay. That scared me. That's the first time I dropped it in the water. Oh, here comes a boat. Got that flag up? Yeah, we know the floaty works now. We're good. We're good. Yeah, let's get out of here before they come. Okay. Pump that thing up, pump up the jam. Another damn time right there. Woo, woo, woo. Little air time on the wake skate. Hey, Garcon, this is for you, baby boy. Wish you were here, shredding with your puppy, but you're up there taking care of business like you're supposed to. We'll be up to see you pretty soon. In the meantime, I'm gonna shred some for you, okay, buddy? Woo! Shred the gnar. Okay. Oh yeah! Pick it up. Oh, this is some fun stuff. Gotta love this. Whoa, left-handed is really weird. almost lost it again. Oh yeah, baby. See my flying club right here. Oh. Oh yeah. There's you guys right here. Oh yeah. Woo! GoPro, baby! Ow! Okay.